Hi everyone, let's solve this tricky math problem. PEMDAS is saying that -3 minus +8 goes first. Next, I want to change subtraction to addition, so then I can use the additional rule. And I like to keep things organized, so the first thing we do is keep -3. That's what the K stands for. Next, change subtraction to addition. That's what the C stands for. And then we change the +8 to -8. So I changed the sign from positive to negative. That's what the C stands for. Keep, change, change. Next, I use the additional rule, and the additional rule states that anytime you're adding two numbers with the same sign, you add them both and keep the same sign. So we have 8 plus 3 equals 11, and we keep the same sign, -11. So we write the negative sign next to the 11. And now I'll drop the -9 minus 8 divided by 5 times, in parentheses, -11. And now we're looking at this. And PEMDAS is saying that division goes first. You don't start with subtraction, which is the lowest level in PEMDAS. That's what the S stands for. A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction, and that's the lowest level. The highest level is P, parentheses. And yes, I started with what's inside the parentheses first. And you solve the math problem from left to right within each level. So looking at -9 minus 8, that won't go first because 8 divided by 5 is a higher level than -9 minus 8. So that's why I will start with 8 divided by 5. And no, you don't start with 5 times -11. Yes, division and multiplication are both within its own level, MD, but you don't start with M first and then D second. Or yes, you don't go with that strictness. M goes first and then D goes second. No, you solve it from left to right, and what's left? 8 divided by 5. What's on the right? 5 times -11. So you start with 8 divided by 5. So 8 divided by 5, I don't know. So I like to write it in a fraction form when I don't know. And next, I want to turn the other numbers into fractions as well, because I turned the 8 divided by 5 into a fraction. And so it will be written times -11 over 1. So I turned this -11 into a fraction. -11 divided by 1 equals -11, does not change the -11. And turn the -9 into a fraction as well. -9 over 1 equals -9, does not change the -9. Minus 8 over 5 times -11 over 1. And now we have this. And PEMDAS is saying that multiplication goes first, not subtraction. Remember, left to right within each level. Subtraction is in the lowest level. Multiplication is above the lowest level. So we multiply across. 8 times -11 is -88 over 5 times 1 is 5. And now we erase this, we don't need, and I'll write the -9 over 1 larger minus -88 over 5 larger. And notice the denominators are different, so I will use the butterfly method. And yes, I will draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. And you multiply what's inside the body and write the results above the antennas. And here's the body, and you multiply 1 times 5, which is 5, and your denominator is 5. Next, we multiply -9 times 5, that's -45. And next, we multiply 1 times negative 88, and that's negative 88. And now we subtract minus 45 minus negative 88. And so I'll write it here, negative 45 minus, in parentheses, negative 88 equals. So I change this to addition, so then I can use the additional rule. So I keep the first number, negative 45, change negative to positive, and then change negative 88 to positive 88. And the rule states anytime you're adding two numbers with different signs, you subtract them both and keep the sign of the bigger number. 88 is bigger than 45, so I know the result is going to be a positive, so I'll write it there. So 88 minus 45, so 8 minus 5 is 3, 8 minus 4 is 4, and it's positive 44, positive 43. And so your numerator is positive 43. And that's your improper fraction answer. Now let's get, and you can break this down further. So 43 over 5 is your answer. Next, I'll use long division to get a decimal and a mixed number answer, because we can, our answer is an improper fraction answer. Now, if it was a proper fraction answer, then no, we can't get a mixed number answer. We only can get a decimal answer. But in this case, we have an improper fraction answer. Positive 43. I don't know why I keep saying 45. 40. So it's positive 43 over 5. And I'll write the mixed number answer here and then the decimal answer here. Here's the long division symbol. The 43 goes inside, that's the dividend, and 5 goes outside, that's the divisor. How many times can 5 fit into 43? I know that 5 times 10 is 50, so that goes over 43. So we need to drop it to 5 times 9, which is 45. So we're getting closer to 43. That's above 43. So it must be 5 times 8, which is 40. So that's the closest we'll get to 43. So I write this 8 above the long division symbol, and I know that 8 times 5 is 40, and then we subtract. 43 minus 40 is 3. You can't fit 5 into 3, so the 3 needs to borrow a 0. So add a decimal after the 43 and after the 8. Drop the 0, give it to the 3. Now the 3 becomes 30. You can fit 5 into 36 times, and 6 times 5 is 30. And 30 minus 30 is 0. So your decimal answer is 8.6. And your mixed number answer is the whole number, 8. The remainder, 3, goes above the fraction bar, and the 5 goes below the fraction bar. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.